when we have told this timidity,
Mm.
we should also tell something about his ego
Mm.
and his bargaining in between this. If you can understand bargaining of silica from Dr. Mayur Mahajan, there's nothing like it.
Silica is in the rubric bargaining.
Absolutely.
Right.
Bargaining, we have got 4 remedies: pulsatilla, bryonia, silica and sulfur.
Yeah. So silica bargains. So how we were really wondering why silica is in the rubric ego. And at the same time, silica, we know silica are yielders. They surrender. Okay.
Yield.
You do one thing. Okay. The boss says silica is a very hardworking chap in the office. Very hardworking.
Very ambitious.
Position conscious. Very very much. What you say? Image conscious. No, my performance. I should be perfect. This is like, but with full of timidity, with full of perseverance, with full of religiousness. He does it everything out of religiousness. So the boss always misuses silica, my dear friends.
Just because he has no guts to say, sorry boss, I won't be doing that.
He used the word guts. Do you know?
Guts.
Phatak sir has written want of grit.
Great.
What is
Yeah.
this? What is this grit? Self stance. Chal. Boss says now it's already 7 o'clock. Now you have to do this work till 9 o'clock.
Finish this off and then go home.
What does Silica do here? You know, Silica cannot write it down. Silica cannot say no.
One of the confirmatory questions of Mayur Mahajan: can you say no to anybody?
He just looks down and says, "I can't say no to anyone."
Yeah. Immediately his wife would say, yes sir, he just can't say
ऐसे
no to anybody.
इसको कुछ ऐसा दवा दो यार कि ये अपना खुद कुछ करे यार. Got it? So he cannot say no. So he yields. Just give me your 500 rupees. Now, this is the crux, Silica. See how he manipulates. Because Silica is also in the rubric manipulative. In Yogesh Rajurkar's video, Tarantula,
Oh,
Marathi video,
Marathi video.
we have explained what is manipulative, but how Silica will manipulate. It's very interesting. He said, अरे नहीं है. I don't have. But the fact is, he has 500 note in his pocket. But, I don't have. Say I don't want to give you. Can you say that? No, why should I give you a 500 rupees note? You are just a stranger for me. We have met 3 days back and I'll give you 500 rupees note. Why?
I've already loaned you 3,000 rupees that you haven't given me back, and you are again asking for 500 rupees. That he can't say.
But he says, no, I don't have now. But the fact is 500 rupees ka note is inside the pocket. This is something which is interesting. Silica manipulates with his ego. How? Boss says you have to do this this project. You have to complete tonight. And Silica says to the boss, yields.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then he will manipulate such a beautiful reason. We have a rubric, objective reasonable. Very intelligent. And gives a beautiful reason to the boss. Because of his ego, he yields. But because of his ego, he just understands which thing is more important for me, either this or this. If I had to yield and it is more fruitful, I will yield. But if I'll not yield and I put my ego up, got it? And this is where I am very much fine. I know myself that this is right now, the necessity. My ego will be up. So the yielding and ego, the bargain is between the yield and the ego disposition. So
that is how you understand bargaining. Don't understand bargaining that it is 100 rupees, come on, make it 50, okay, not 50, not 100, make it 75. This bargaining is literally by word bargaining. This is the bargaining that happens in mind of Silica, in situations with Silica. This is how Silica
exactly
manipulates things.
अरे साइज stools pass करना है कि नहीं? Stools comes out and resits back. Whether I should go or I shouldn't go. Shall I do it or I don't do it? Okay. So this is how we understand Silica.
There is a lot of things.
There are so many things. I'll tell you a case of infertility where the person was not able to perform.
Oh.
When the IUI, they give them the dates and the time.
Yeah. They tell you that these dates after the ovulation, these dates are.
No, the doctor said na tonight only.
Tonight.
Tonight only.
Oh.
Performance, anxiety himself about.
Examination.
And everything gets flop. Silica. Understand?
The same parameters of a examination in a boy's classroom of 5th standard boy can be even seen when he is told today night you have to have contact.
I again tell you, my dear, I'm just giving the glimpses so that you couldn't miss the vital information of a remedy. After that, you learn there are so many rubrics in radar, which will explain you how remedy can be evolved, how remedy could be understand.
Yes, ego can be at the level of ailments from egotism.
Yes.
Till that level, silica is there, but you always, I should have a case in front of you which explains you this aspects or that aspects or another, so many aspects, pedantness, and there are so many.
The pedant is a very important room. I would see. We'll make this video in two parts. Basically, why? So these are some important things which we need to explain. Pedant. See, Yogesh, please explain what is this pedant all about. See the properness of this, the proper explanation.
See, pedant, how I understand. Pedant is, of course, there because myself being such a haphazard person.
I'm not that. I'm very proper.
Very proper.
I don't like improperness at all. The word is right, na? Improperness. Whatever.
See
the words also I utter just
using
properly.
Proper parliamentary language.
Yes.
So this pedantness is, following the neatness, or means if you ask me the dictionary meaning, we HHFians understand the meaning according to my own understanding would be different, his own. Of course, we would be reflecting each other, but you should have a meaning of your own. So, according to me, pedantness is something which he is very particular about. Means minor details. We just brush them off.
I'll give an example.
Yeah.
Have you watched Dil Chahta Hai movie? Wherein Dil Chahta Hai? Yes.
Kabhi na beete.
So I'm missing my friends here.
Absolutely.
HHFians yaar, salo aao. So Dil Chahta Hai. See, Saif Ali Khan, fiancée, Kulkarni. She had an affair with a guy, and they were just having a talk on this dining table, and the husband says, "Today, you know what happened?" Yes. Today I proposed my wife. Saif Ali was like, it's exactly 3 months and 17 hours now.
Oh,
17 hours?
Details, so much details.
And when I hold her hand for the first time was on so and 24th of October and 3 o'clock and 10 minutes.
Arey!
She! And when I took her on the first date was,
Kya kar rahe?
this is pedant. So this is my first X-ray, and every single word will be explained by.
Minor details are so very important for silica. You will go into the minor details and you would feel, come on, you're living life or what?
Yeah, and now you will ask me, then how could you say that it's anxiety about himself? See, silica at the first 10 minutes, if you miss silica's anxiety himself about, because what is the main crux is, first 10 minutes, silica is that shy stools come inside and go out, okay? Hoga. Then once he gets relaxed, after 10th minute of the conversation, first he's sitting like this. So, because anxiety, timidity is like this. What shall I say? What shall I won't say? What is this?
Doctor will ask and how I will answer.
This is anxiety.
Yeah.
After 10 minutes, he becomes cool, calm, and then this style of egotism. Yeah, doc. Actually, he becomes calm. Hence, Rao sir has told us, don't ever lose that first opening of the case that indicates the 75% of every remedy with the gestures, with the acts like this. है ना लम्हे? Now I tell you, doctor, now he becomes comfortable after 10th minute. Now he is okay because fear of strangers has lost. Now he's open. Okay, so I'll tell you. And he tells us
So means detailed. Mayur
Bas.
Mahajan would pull off his hair and run away.
Okay, I had seen the cases. Okay, but no, doctor.
No, you haven't seen
The
this.
third report, third line, first sentence. She parent. Okay, parent. So this is how we understand homeopathy. I'll make this video in two ways because we are already 30-35 minutes.
You know, I can always put in something that Mayur will feel, oh yes, I have left that.
Because
So
then I
that
go into the state of constipation. Arey, ye reh gaya. I hold it.
Oh,
I don't want to be constipated. I want to be. Okay. So this is how we understand homeopathy. This is how we understand Silisha. This is not superficial, my dear friends. When Yogesh said he finished off his case within 2 minutes, this 2 minutes has a lots of informations and lots of understanding behind that 2 minutes of the case. So these 2 minutes are out of, this churning of this buttermilk, and then only you get out that butter. So this is really very, very important. Understand the remedy. Then you'll come to know the feeling of the remedies. Okay. Again, I would like to tell you one thing. This Little Angels is out of stock, my dear friends. My book, Little Angels, Child, wherein Silisha is written in detail. It is out of stock, so you'll get it after 15 days. I'll put numbers. Those who wanted to subscribe that book, I'll give the number, but you'll get it in a very short period of time of 15, 20, 25 days. And I would be adding one beautiful remedy in that new book. But the ones who have that book, please don't again get it, because that remedy which I am putting in my book this time will be explained in this video. So those who have this book, Little Angels, please don't buy that one book again for that one single remedy. But that is also very interesting remedy, but you'll get it in the new book. Acha, one more thing I would like to share you about the doctrine of signatures. This is also very important sometimes. So we need to understand the sand, the silica sand.
Sand.
The silica sand is so beautiful. If this wouldn't have been mentioned, see, actually we again started the video because this is really very important, and if we wouldn't have this explained, so we would be really constipated. So we are really very happy to share this one last line of silica, the doctrine, that sand of silica. Yogesh,
The sand of silica is, if you hold, have you ever held, you have gone to beaches and you have held the sand in your hand. Have you held it? Have you held it? When you try to hold it, you feel like it is in your hand. The moment you try to hold it, it starts slipping slowly. And
yes.
the moment you feel that nothing is in your hand.
Means the feeling is that the one who is holding it, this silica is inside. The one who is holding is the one who is dominating silica. But the person who dominates silica feels that I will handle him. But that silica personality is not in anyone's hand.
You never know when he has slipped out.
Manipulation,
Absolutely.
egotism.
Absolutely.
This one single part of silica, one small part.
Yeah.
It as you are, itna chota sa hai. But to break that small part, you cannot break it. So hard.
So hard, a grain of sand.
Silica, hard stools again.
Again, hard.
We need to understand how we understand. Because if we understand this, we will understand every aspect of silica. And last, silica you'll find in the seashore. The sand.
seashore.
Now imagine this sand in the seashore. How pleasant that sands look.
Great.
On the seashore.
Yeah.
Now this sand, if I'll put here somewhere here, so won't it be a odd man out? Won't you feel that this sand at this please.
How did it come here? How is this sand here?
What feeling will this sand carry? An odd man out. This is the feeling of odd man out of silica. This is the fear of strangers of silica. When it is at the shore, its own place, it's like just wavering here and there so smoothly. But here, it feels like odd man out.
So when silica is within his friends,
Yes.
then he is a royal person. But when he is in between strangers, then he is.
Kalkire Karp is not Kalkire pompous, squandering, rich, wealthy, boaster. I have this, I do this, I can do this. I have purchased a flat of 3 crores, 4 crores. Boasting. Silica. Where do you say? I have a penthouse. अरे penthouse है ना तो बोल.
You should boast. You should
Boast
flaunt
ना.
it,
I
lady.
have a penthouse. Where do you say? I have a penthouse. Penthouse. You should boast here. Come on.
You are saying it like a one-room kitchen.
And Kalkire Karp, I have a 2 BHK, 1 BHK. See, difference.
This,
Clear cut difference. This is how we understand the differential materia medica.
absolutely.
Okay. And the last, Yogesh, this silica, when it gets mixed with this cement, what happens?
Yeah. When means it needs cement to erect a structure.
Note it down.
If the cement is not there, sand would just collapse.
And see how we enjoy this. We are not we don't plan anything, but it comes just out
Spontaneity.
spontaneously. So this is how we understand remedies. And last point of this silica is silica is a team member.
Team person.
He is not always a leader.
Yeah.
Don't be silicas. And yes, of course, we will be silicas.
Yeah.
Because when we have cement, sand, everything together, we can build a foundation
Absolutely.
of this HHF so strong.
So strong.
No bloody anyone can just, crumble it out. So we want everyone to be together.
Yes.
Just like, see, silica is a performer on the stage, but not a single solo performer. He wants everyone together. Chorus singing, he will be there.
Yeah.
Chorus dance, I will do. But on single stage, silica cannot just perform. This is silica.
So silica teaches us, you be our cement, we will be your cement.
Yes.
And together we will build a fantabulous structure.
Yes. So last and not the least, we are dying to hear your comments, shares, likes. We really like to read. Yogesh, I hope you also read all your comments and everything.
Absolutely,
See,
I do, but make a point to reply to them.
We are dying to hear your comments, my dear friends. We enjoy that comments. Every single comment.
That is the only motivation.
Is that we go through and we take it very by our heart. So please, once you like the video, please comment something. We really enjoy that comment.
So please comment, please subscribe, and please share it to all our homeopath fraternity.
Yes.
We would all grow together. That is the motto of HHF. Together shall we grow.
And all homeopaths, make this world a beautiful place to live and stay and enjoy our life.
Believe we are the chosen ones.
We are the chosen ones.
Absolutely. Bye-bye.
Love you all, love you all, love you all.